Andrew, do you know what day it is?
Is it spa day?
It's spa day. Spa day.
We missed the knuckle.
Wow, that took so long for us to learn.
Gang.
We're gonna start off by cleansing our faces.
Put it up closer.
Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. This cleanser and everything we're gonna be using today are from Belif. We got a nice little set, so we're gonna...
I'm sorry, I just keep holding my sneeze.
I got a nice little set, so I wanted to try it out with Andrew.
Help.
Andrew, what the...
I use a tissue.
Tissue.
It smells good. It just kind of smells like lightly lemony.
Homie. Oh, my mustache.
The quarantine stash. Our faces have been cleansed.
Oh, you can't get this right here. Say it again.
What, because you're scratching your belly?
Yes.
Our faces have been cleansed.
What's the next step?
I believe it's toner. Back to the room. So as I kind of said, all these products that Andrew and I are going to use are from Belif and their Aqua Bomb Deep Hydration Set. Belif is a skincare brand sold at Sephora that I've been really liking. Right now they have their VIB sale going on, so you can get this set or anything else online at Sephora. I've been really liking their products recently, especially their Aqua Bomb line. So I will have a link in the description if you want to check it out.
You gotta cover up Amber's face. Time for the toner.
Ooh.
What's the difference? Moisturizing eye balm and Belif True Cream. I'm gonna just use the regular cream.
Silky smooth and hydrating, yeah. Oh my god, I can feel my youth coming back to me already.
Me as a youth.
Me as a youth.
My years. Flashbacks. Memories. Fortnite.
Linguine.
Moisturizing eye balm. Essential eye cream, yes.
Yes.
Provides
Put it on your
intense moisture up to 26 hours. Boosts elasticity, yes.
Yes.
One time I put peppermint chapstick on my eyes for fun in photography class, and we were crying the whole entire class, and our teacher was like, what are you doing? We're all just like, woo! It burned so bad, but we were so bored. Me and my friend finished our project for photography class. He's like, I have peppermint chapstick. I was like, what are we gonna do with that? He's like, put it on our eyelids. I was like, okay.
Okay.
So then we spent the rest of the class crying.
Let's just let our...
Today is Ronan's birthday. My best friend Ronan's birthday. I have to go give him a birthday present. Either I give him a Razer scooter or a PS4 controller.
Andrew, isn't your birthday soon? What do you want?
How many days?
What's today, the 15th?
2 weeks from
We
now.
have 14 days until your birthday, 29th.
now.
What do you want for your birthday?
Happiness can't be bought without money. No, I don't know. I'd just be asking for too much. Me and Ronan said we won't shave our mustaches until the end of quarantine.
Can we get a close
That's not
up?
possible. Quarantine stash. I want to get Joe Exotic's mullet. Everybody's like, Andrew's got a mullet. No, not yet. Not yet, guys. Wait until
almost
this
there.
summer. The mullet is gonna be insane. Bowl cut up front, shaved sides. We're gonna go traumatize some little children.
Oh my...
They'll be like, oh, mullet.
Andrew, would you ever shave your head, like, completely bald?
I was gonna do it because my friend did it and he was like, I nominate you next. I was like,
Ice bucket challenge.
I was like, I would do it for you, Liam, but like, my sister needs me to film a Jungkook video or something.
Oh, we have to film a video with
But
Andrew's hair
after
first.
that's gone, I'm getting a mullet.
And then if you don't like the mullet, you can just shave it all
I'm
off.
just gonna shave it. No,
I think you'd
no,
like the
no.
mullet.
First, I'm shaving the sides to look like this one TikToker. If that doesn't work out,
Wait, what TikToker's not gonna include an image? Oh, he does have cool hair.
and then if that doesn't work, we chop off the front, get a bowl cut up front. You know, like that.
Like the
one.
short bowl cut.
Yeah, short bowl cut. It's gonna be beautiful.
Andrew, you'd have to do the full bowl cut, like, around your entire head. That's what a bowl cut is. It's not just the front.
Like this.
Or he wants this.
Okay, well, that is it.
That's it for the spa day.
All right, we're done.
Wait, Andrew. Andrew's going to figure out his friend's birthday situation now. He wants to buy him a scooter, but he can't go in his friend's house because they're all quarantining, so he's just going to drop off a scooter, I think. Keep your mask.
And then I run at people in Walmart.
It seems that I'm now in charge of driving Andrew to Ronan's house to give him the Razer scooter that we bought him.
Let's go.
Let's go. It's got light up wheels.
Let's go. Happy birthday, Ronan. I'm leaving.
Hi, Ashley.
Hi, Amber.
What are you doing?
Eating. What did you guys do?
We did a whole set of things from Belif.
Oh, you did a whole set.
Yeah.
That's so exciting. I'm getting choked.
Anyways, I believe it's all for the video. Make sure to click the link in the description if you want to check out Belif or any of the products that Andrew and I used today. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys again soon. Bye bye. Andrew, do you know what day it is?
It's spa day. It's spa day.
And I say,
It's spa day. Spa day. It's spa day.
it's spa day.
Wait, I wasn't ready.
Spa
Spa day.
Wait.
Spa day. It's spa day. Spa day. Hike. Peaky.
Okay.
Cookie. Hey, babe. Yo, why does Tree guy such a fatty? Fortnite. Okay. Mullet. 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 Mullet.